What's up guys? I hope you all are having a great day. Before I get this video started, I just wanted to say thank you for all the support. I think I'm up to like almost 70 subscribers, so that's awesome. I'm really trying to get to 100 though, so if you could smash that subscribe button, that would be awesome. Also, if you could like my videos, that also helps a lot too. Thank you. So if you watched my last video, you saw that I installed a stack on my Cummins. And I just wanted to make a video talking about kind of what my impressions are and kind of give you some advice if you're thinking about getting a stack. If you should do it, if you shouldn't, that kind of thing. So it's also super windy outside right now, like really windy, so most of the filming will be in the garage unfortunately, or in the truck. But I will try to get some shots of the stack. So as you can see, this is my stack. If you didn't watch the install video, I'm running a 4-inch MBRP downpipe and exhaust with a 90-degree 4-inch pipe to the stack, which is a 4 to 5-inch stack. Like I said in the install video, I think I am going to go with a bigger one. I just wanted to kind of try it out and see if I actually could live with the stack or not. Kind of see how I like it and stuff. And I do really like it. Now, one thing I want to bring up regarding like how I feel about the stack, maybe it'll kind of give you some insight on whether you should do it. Holy cow, it's getting windy. I might have to go in the cab. Okay, anyways, like I was saying, I did install the stack kind of lower than a lot of people do. A lot of people put their stacks kind of right above or level with the top of their cab. And I wanted it to just be lower. I think it looks kind of meaner when it's lower and like sunk down into the bed. However, the issue that I've had with that is I tried to open up the rear window here, and it's so loud, which was to be expected. But what I didn't expect, and I don't know why I didn't think this, but the smoke from it, if your truck rolls coal, the smoke will get into the cab, and that is not fun. So I guess if I keep the stack that low, that back window just won't be able to open up. So my recommendation for you is, if you decide to put a stack on your truck and you want it lower like I do, just know that you won't be able to open up that rear window. So another thing that I was really concerned about, probably actually my biggest concern with getting the stack, was the noise that would be in the cab from it. Wow, the noise that would be in the cab from it. That was a really smart thing to say. I guess the biggest concern I had with installing the stack was how loud it would be in the cab. So overall, I'm actually pretty pleasantly surprised with the volume of the stack from inside the cab. It's not super loud. I don't know if it's because it's a smaller one. That probably doesn't have anything to do with it. But it's definitely bearable for me. Now, I haven't driven much on the freeway yet, and I have a feeling that's where most of the drone is going to be at. But I'm actually pleasantly surprised by the noise. So if noise is like a factor, or you're kind of on the fence because you don't want the stack to be too loud, I was surprised with how quiet it actually was. And just to kind of give you an example here, probably shaking all over the place as I'm trying to do this. I'll give you a little example. This is the first time I started it today, so I have to wait for it to... Okay, so here we go. First time I started today. So it is louder than just like a normal exhaust system would be, but it's really not unbearable. I would say that the volume is pretty close to how loud it is when you have an axle dump. So if you've had an axle dump before, that's about how loud a stack is. A little bit of a different sound, a little more like high-pitched and more raspy than an axle dump is. The axle dump seems to be lower. But, you know, as far as volume goes, I would say that's pretty comparable. So in a minute, after the truck warms up, I'm going to go ahead and drive around a little bit so you can kind of get a idea of how loud it is in here and what it sounds like. So one other thing I want to touch on though really quick is some other concerns and some things that you should consider when thinking about installing a stack. One of those things is The usability of your bed, it's not going to be as useful as it was without the stack, obviously. You don't want items to like lean into your stack that'll damage the item or the stack, things of that nature. For me, I'm not super worried about it because I have a short bed anyways, so I don't haul a lot. And I mostly just pull with this truck rather than like haul things around. One concern I also have is I do have a canopy that I obviously won't be able to use anymore. I'm going to hang on to it just in case I ever take the stack off. But obviously you can't use a canopy. So hopefully that kind of helps you decide whether you want to get a stack or not. I was on the fence about it for a long time, and I'm really glad that I finally went ahead and decided to go for it. Like I said earlier, I think I am going to change my stack setup a little bit and get a bigger stack, and I think I'm going to go with a cat stack because I think those look awesome. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below what kind of stack you think I should get and what size, what style, things of that nature. But yeah, the truck's warmed up, so I'm going to take it for a little spin so you can hear what it sounds like inside. Sorry, hit a bump. Okay, so that was with the windows up. I'm gonna go ahead and bring the windows down a little bit. It's kind of windy. I don't want you guys to hear the wind too much, but the windows are about halfway down on either side. Give you an idea of what it sounds like now. I think it sounds sick, but that's just me. Okay guys, hopefully that video kind of helps you. I think I'm going to conclude here. I'll also put some clips from the install video in where I'm driving around, so you can hear what it sounds like from the outside. But with that, that'll conclude today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Again, please subscribe, please like. I'm a small YouTuber, and I want to keep doing this, so please continue to support me. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Peace.